Hi friends, these spicy roasted barbecue country ribs are some of the best barbecue ribs you'll ever eat. The sauce consists of molasses, yellow mustard, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, hot sauce, red wine vinegar, and liquid smoke. Little salt and pepper too. Heat the sauce over a medium-high heat until it reduces and thickens. This will take about 15 minutes. The original recipe comes from a 1972 Better Homes and Gardens cookbook, and then I added a few of my own personal touches. Brush the sauce on the partially roasted country ribs. Roast again, baste, roast again, and baste. Just look at the color of these incredible ribs. Yum! It's time to eat. Get the full printable recipe at kudoskitchen by Renee.com.